Today I'll be reviewing the M-Stand laptop stand from Rain Design. This is an incredible piece of art, it really is. I highly recommend it, so let's get to the review. Okay, this packaging looks like something that Apple would do. This is really nice. It's got a great look to it. It's taped in 3 spots. Opens like that. There's a nice carrying handle. See that? This definitely looks like an Apple product, but it's not. Okay, out of the box. This is what it looks like. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with this product. And it comes with a pamphlet of other products, other Rain Design products. Well, there's some really cool stuff in here. Now, what attracted me to this was just the design is incredible. It's designed as if Apple would have designed it. This matches the Macbook perfectly, and it's got a really nice raindrop cutout right there. And this aluminum acts as a heat sink, so it will pull away heat from your laptop and elevate your laptop so that you have a better view of it. And of course, it's got a cutout in the back. You can route your cables through here and plug into your laptop. Now, this will fit the MacBook Pro. It will also fit the MacBook Air will fit nicely in it. And I got a feeling that an iPad would sit perfectly on here. So let me just get my MacBook. And place this on. Fits very comfortably. Very nice. Let's see how it looks with the keyboard and the keyboard and the Magic Pad. I have to say, that looks really great. I really like this design. Matches perfectly. Kind of looks like an iMac setup now. I'm really impressed. I definitely, Rain Design, I'm going to be buying some more products from you. So there it is. There's the M-Stand laptop stand from Rain Designs.